Today, vlogmas day 20. 8:03 in the morning. We have 5 days till Christmas. Just in case you guys weren't up to speed. I'm about to go get my nails done at 9:30. My friend's coming to pick us up. I'm gonna brush my teeth really quick on this day. Let's say good morning to Bethany while we're awake. Oh, it went off. I'm too far away. La-dee-da-da-da. Chatter with a safety bed. Okay, I finished my makeup and I'm about to straighten my hair. Don't worry, I'm not going out like this. Even though that's kind of a look. We stand. Okay, all done. I don't know what I want to wear now. Okay, it's 9:04. We're waiting on her. And yeah. Okay, so I just got home maybe an hour ago from getting my nails done. And they're so pretty. They're so pretty. I low-key feel kind of dizzy. Like, tired, dizzy. It's really hard to explain. I don't know. Anyways, but it's, what time is it? Phone's in my back pocket. It's currently 2:39, almost 3 basically. I have to go with my granny to drop my cousin off at, yes, hi Dan and Phil. Well, oh, sorry, that's Dan and Thomas Sangster at home. And then I have to come back and FaceTime Bets. So it's gonna be a hot minute before I get back home and can just lay down, sadly. Okay, so I came in Walmart to get a few things for my granny, but I found this tripod that I wanted and a charger. So yeah, I'm about to go check out. Okay, I have a haul for you guys. It's a little haul, I got a tripod, love that for me. This is what we're working with now. So I can spread the little prongs and just sit you on my desk. What's up, pimpers? Pimpin'? Anyway, because I stay using Brianna's, so now I have one that works. It says, I thought that said true to size. Watch this. I know, right? Say happy Vlogmas Day 20, Bets.
Happy Vlogmas Day 20!
Hello. I'm talking to my vlog. Do you want to say hi?
Hi!
Oh, you're so cute. Okay, anyways, I'm about to go edit my vlogmas for today. That's already supposed to be up, and it's not because I suck. But, period. I'm about to go do it now. So,